There's water trickling down this hill, so I don't think we're far away from it. But apparently there's water has been brought through to this horse trough. We've taken a short hop from Strines, yes, to have a look at Disley. Another nice station to look at on our Manchester travels. It looks like this would have been some kind of booking office, maybe. You can get to Buxton and Hazel Grove. There's also a handy map as well. Very cool. And just over here is a trail. The Gritstone Trail. 35 miles. Don't think we're going to try that one today.
No.
It's got the old GMPTE sign on it as well. And we've got an onward travel. Well, you can see how close the lines get to each other as well, can't you? Some lovely artwork. As Stephen was saying, you can see the platform was a little bit longer. And the line goes off into a tunnel. Again, 2 platforms, quite nice. Some old station pictures as well. Not one, but 2 waiting areas on platform 2. And this looks like where you would have probably come out of from like a booking office. So we're just popping down to have a look at platform 1, which is trains for
Buxton.
Ah, right, okay. Are we that many stops away from Buxton?
I don't think we are.
Oh, okay. Because the trains today seem to be going to
Hazel Grove.
Yeah. When they normally go a bit further, wouldn't they? So is it right that there should be a train coming out of that tunnel soon?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a small waiting area for that one.
From the smaller ones to the bigger ones.
a little bit here about the Buxton line. And it wouldn't be Cheshire without us being at a best kept station in Cheshire.
Yeah.
What's the joke about best kept stations in Cheshire?
Every station is just Cheshire's best kept station.
Yes, yeah, yes it is. Definitely a nice station. As a little bonus bit, we've come along Red Lane in Disley because there's something that's meant to be called the horse trough. Oh wow! Isn't that pretty? I've never seen anything like it. So yeah, just for the horses and their drinking water. That's definitely a good find.